Welcome to the Tamarack Open Air Gallery on the grounds of the Tamarack Marketplace Cultural and Conference Center in Beckley, West Virginia. Right off the highway, it almost seems to double as a rest stop and outdoor meeting space. The Tamarack Marketplace itself serves as a beacon for artist-centrics, makers, and appreciators of fine and folk art. Inside this place, you will find an art gallery, restaurants, shops selling local artisan wares, and even pottery and glassblowing classes, of which we'll have a future video. See the links below for the place's main page and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.